Hey, hello everybody, my name is BrmP, coming at you with another Space Engineers video, and I'd like to show you what I made. Well, if you've seen my previous video, then you know what this square box thing is. This is my 3D printing platform. If you want to see how this works, I've made a separate video on that, so you can go and watch that. Basically, it prints ships which you put in there to be made. And now what I did is I took that platform and turned it into a ship, so you can take it wherever you want and wherever you need it. As you can see, I used the sage thrusters on them. So you need, if you want to put this into your world, you need to have that mod installed. So otherwise it will turn up in your world without thrusters, without forward and backward thrust. Well, if you go in here, you go into the leave those open. You go into the bridge area. The main seat is the one in the middle, controlling the thrusters and whatnot. That one is able to look at all the cameras and set up to look at all the cameras. This one is controlling the doors, with the pistons and stuff. If you go down here, you come into walkway area where you can see the main reactors and some of its gyroscopes. If you go past this, you can see that it has a mass drive, so it is capable of accelerating a little bit faster than it should be without any of those mass blocks. And if you go down here through these doors, you come into the factory, the 3D printer, whatever you want to call it. I added a few cameras here also, so you're able to see a little bit more than you're used to. The controls here are just the same. Pressing 1 will make those arms move in. 2 will make them weld. 3 will make the grinder work. 4 it's the protector on and off, and 6 will open that door over there. Oh, I thought I set it up here, but yeah. And this camera, okay, this camera, if you press 5, you see the underneath the welder, so you can see if it's finished a grinder, so you can see if it's finished grinding off the blocks. And then you can see if you can take out the ship. And I almost forgot to show you something. If you can make ships, you also need a way to store them, of course. And so this ship has an hangar bay 2, which is located right above here. You can get to them by going up these stairs. Whoa. Yeah, my computer is not the best, so I'm getting a little bit low frames. Sorry for that. But if you go through these doors, you'll have a small hangar in which you can store a few ships. You can hook them up here so you can refuel them and whatnot. Yeah, this panel just is to open up the doors. This one opens up both. These two will open one of the doors, and this is a light switch, as you can see. Well, that's all for now, I guess. Thank you very much for watching. My name is BrmP. I'm out.